If you haven't seen our previous episodes, our original plan to go to New Orleans got cancelled by a tropical storm. You can only imagine our stress levels as we hurriedly looked for alternate campgrounds to stay in for the next few days. As the storm started rolling in, we quickly packed up our outdoor stuff and managed to empty our black and gray water tanks successfully. We were soon becoming pros at this RV thing. A few years later, we safely ended up in Tennessee. We did lots of hiking, and more hiking in today's video, and also a leisurely Father's Day floating trip down a creek.
It's another day of hiking. We'll see where we end up. There's forecast of rain later, so we'll see how it goes.
This state park is in Lawrenceburg, Tennessee, named after its famous outdoorsman. It has two huge campgrounds with electric and water hookups. There's tent camping as well as lots of RV sites. Hiking trails.
And they have an amphitheater too. And there's a museum here too. There's a little gym in this park too.
Scenic hikes. A baby waterfall.
They have a covered bridge too.
And a dump station.
And the hiker's hungry.
It's a bridge.
Oh, finally, after 1 million hours of walking, we're here in the floating bridge. This is a long hike, really long hike, to get to this floating bridge. Now we have to hike back. And I'm so tired and hot and sweaty and hungry. So maybe 2 more hours of hiking. See ya. scared me. I thought it was real.